To install Capcut, go to Microsoft Store. Enter Capcut here. Hit Capcut. Hit install. Otherwise, we can go to capcut.com to download and install. Hit download menu. Hit download here then. Open Capcut. Hit new project. Hit import to import files. Select your files. Hit open then. Name the project. For example, I name it dog. Drag and drop the files in timeline. Choose screen size. Choose portrait for Facebook or landscape for YouTube. Hit crop. Hit confirm. Drag and drop. Now, we are going to remove green screen from a video. Hit video. Hit cutout. Hit chroma key. Hit the sign of color picker. Hit green screen on the video. Drag strength on the line. Do it again. Remove white screen. Copy. Paste. Hit cutout. Hit color picker. Hit color white on the video. Now, we are going to remove background from a video. Delete right. Hit video on the track that we need to remove background. Hit cutout. Hit auto cutout. See, the video background is removed. Hit mask to cut out more. Hit heart or other shapes. Adjust the size of the shape. Play. Next step is to add text. Hit text. Hit default text. Type something here. Example, hello, how are you? Adjust style. Text to speech then. Choose sound.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
Hit start reading to generate audio.
Hello, how are you?
Now, add captions if we have audio. Hit audio on the track. Hit text menu. Hit auto captions. Choose a language. Hit create then. Here is caption on the top track. Caption on the video. Add color to caption.
Hello, how are you?
Now, we are going to rotate video. Select video on timeline. Basic. Rotate. Other way. We can drag here to rotate. Split. Delete left. Delete right. Split. Delete. Lock the track to protect it. Unlock. Hide the track to not show the clip. Show the track. Mute clip audio. Unmute audio.
Hello, how are you?
Deactivate clip from video. Activate clip. Group them, so we can move them easily. Right-click, ungroup. Create compound clip, so it is more easy to edit. Undo compound clip. Create compound clip. Deactivate. Undo compound clip. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom to fit timeline. Zoom timeline. Extract audio. Delete audio. Delete left. Hit speed. Speed up, so video play faster. Speed down. Here, name your file. Location to stall file. Choose resolution. Export audio. Hit export. Hit open folder to go to the file exported. Here is file after export.
Like, subscribe, thank you.